Here at VR Focus, our work takes us to gaming events all over the world, and we're always looking for new ways to capture our surroundings. We turned to Insta360 and managed to test out their Pro 2 camera. First released in 2018, we found that the capturing and editing of 360 footage to be extremely easy and can be edited within existing Adobe Creative Cloud programs, thanks to Insta360's Premiere Pro plugin. This video will demonstrate just how easy the process was for us. Once your footage is captured and transferred, you will need to download the Premiere Pro plugin. This can be found on the download section of the Insta360 website, where you will find downloadable content for each device. Click on the Insta360 Pro 2 option to view all the downloads available for this camera, and then look for the newest version of the Insta360 Stitcher software. Enter the serial number provided with your model and you're set to go. Once downloaded, start the installation process as normal, making sure to keep the Premiere Pro plugin box ticked. Making sure that the software is fully installed first, open up Premiere Pro and create a new timeline. Head to Window at the top bar, then Extensions below that, and here you should find the plugin named Insta360 Pro Importer, now fully installed. Clicking on this will open up the new Importer window within Premiere Pro. Select this yellow Import option, then head to the location of the folder containing the unstitched files. Once you've selected to import this folder, the files contained within the folder should be stitched together as they are being imported into Premiere Pro, and will now appear in the project as a single edited down file. Now, you can edit the length of the file just like any other Premiere Pro footage. And when it is time to render, under the video section, scroll down and make sure to tick this one box stating that the video is VR. Once exported, you can now upload the footage to YouTube as usual, and you will be able to navigate around the footage while it is being played or paused on both desktop and through VR headsets. So that's how you can use Insta360's software to edit and upload a basic 360 panorama to YouTube. Thank you to Insta360, and please check out their website for more information. And for more VR content, check out our website at vrfocus.com.